Can 20 minutes really replace hours in the gym? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, imagine a workout that targets every major muscle group efficiently, safely, and in less than half the time. Hi, I'm Dr. Garima Gaur, Chief Wellness Officer at the Wellness Co. Most people struggle to find time for the gym or they plateau despite working hard. That's where EMS training comes in, a science-backed way to train smarter, not harder. EMS stands for Electrical Muscle Stimulation. It uses gentle, low-frequency electrical impulses to make your muscles contract just like during a regular workout, but more effectively. Here's the difference. EMS can activate up to 90% of your muscle fibers at once compared to about 50 to 60% during the traditional workout. That means more muscle engagement, faster results, and shorter workouts. When you wear the EMS suit, the electrodes target key muscle groups, your back, your abs, glutes, arms, and legs, and as you move through squats, lunges, or even simple arm raises, the impulses make your muscles contract more deeply, amplifying every movement. It feels like a series of gentle vibration or resistance pulses, completely safe and even energizing once you get used to it. And because there's no added stress on your joints, it's ideal for anyone looking for an intense workout without the risk of injury. Many people think EMS is only for the professional athletes, but that's a myth. It's great for busy professionals who want results in minimal time, people recovering from injuries who cannot do high-impact workouts, and anyone wanting to tone stubborn areas like the arms, abs, or glutes. It improves posture, increases strength, and enhances overall body composition, all while fitting into your schedule. A single 20-minute EMS session can give you the muscle activation equivalent of a 90-minute gym workout. It is backed by sports science researchers and used by physiotherapists, athletes, and even astronauts to maintain their muscle mass and strength efficiently. At the Wellness Co, we ensure that every session is personalized, medically supervised, and aligned with your fitness levels and goals. With consistent sessions, just once or twice a week, most people start feeling better, stronger, leaner, and more toned in merely 4 to 6 weeks. It complements your current fitness or wellness plan perfectly, especially if time or recovery are limiting factors. So, can 20 minutes really replace hours in the gym for focus, strength, toning, and time efficiency? Absolutely. Would you try a 20-minute EMS session or stick to your usual gym routine? Tell us in the comments below. And if you found the video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more videos every week.